Really cute when you open them up there like that, and then you can just close them. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about, which actually is something you guys actually requested. I asked you guys in a post below on my channel which one you'll rather see is Morphe2s. These are the quad goals, or the, I think it's the ColourPop High Tide and Lust for Dust. It was between those two, and you guys picked the Morphe side, which was the left. So I did get 4 out of the 5. I didn't get the nude one, but I got everything else. So this is an interesting makeup face set, palette, everything. But before I jump all the way into these, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also, don't forget to check out my post too. So I'm gonna ask you guys in the future the same thing as well, left or right palette. So let me know in those comments in my post. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So guys, let's get right on into, well, actually the first set is going to be, this is Pink Please and Fresh Peach. And these are very, very adorable. The packaging and everything is very, very cute. This is eyes, cheeks, lips, and face. On the front of these are very cute. They do actually have the big old two right there in Morphe. They have like a pinky color, peachy. I had the lavender as well, and I have the bronzy brownie kind of one. So they do give you 4 sections. So when you open it, they give you a mirror, guys, an itty bitty baby mirror. This is very, very cute. You do get your shade for the eyes, and then you get the blush for the cheeks. Then you get the lippy for the lip, and then at the bottom you do get a product for the face. So the face one can go anywhere, I guess, in the eyes, lips, cheeks, you can put it anywhere. So this packaging I think is very, very cute. Now, one thing I noticed inside of some of these is some of them have the last row for the face is different for the others. For the Pink Please and Fresh Pink, they do have that kind of glossy face, violet vibes, and the Stay Golden at the bottom of these two, which are a little bit different. They have glitters, chunky glitter, light glitter. It's like the pretty much pressed glitter. It is very, very chunky, very, very glittery, kind of gets a little bit everywhere. Yeah, I just wanted to show the 2 different ones. The 2 different sets, they do have a different face item in it. So don't be shocked when you see glitter versus the balm. Because I know ColourPop, they have their quads. And their quads are cute, but they're more like flat. This is like a little stackable thing. I think that's very, very cute. But if you guys want to get all of these looks and check them out, see them up close and personal, stay tuned. you guys enjoyed all of the looks that I came up with. Each and every one of these quads, I did demo every living thing. So highlight, the face product, the lippy, and the blush, and the shadow. So let's jump right back on into these. So pink please, let's go through the pros and cons real quick. I'm gonna say right now, the eyes, even with my finger, this took too much to build up a shimmer. Shimmers usually are just, oh, there you go. But I didn't care for her too much. I wish I did, because it would have been a really, really pretty, because it has like gold kind of flakes in it, but it's like baby pink. It would have been really nice if it did have that pigmentation and that buttery feel to it. That would have been great. Next, blush. And they do actually, by the way, guys, they have a name for each one of these things. So the eyes are called Tulip, and the cheeks are called Rosy, and the lips are called Taffy, and the face product is called Cherry Blossom in the Pink Please palette, by the way. Every quad I did use a blush as like the matte or kind of base. And it didn't work out way too well. I did get it on there, but it took 10,000 years to build it up, really. So I was like, that definitely is just meant for your cheek. So with this blush, she did come up, she did pop out, but it still was like, it's okay. I didn't care for this blush too much, but she is more ripe. I think the name Rosy is very, very appropriate for it. I just wish they actually did have more pigmentation in it, because to me, it was just kind of, it was so-so. Lippy, this lippy Taffy. Very good name. This is beautiful. As you guys can see, I accidentally dug too deep into it. Tip, do not put your finger way too close into it, but I still like this color a lot. Now, I wish they would make lip balms or lippy things like this separate and sell it this by itself. This was the best thing out of it so far. I loved this. I was like, this is nice. It smells yummy. It smells like creamy vanilla. It is like a taffy pink. It's very, very pretty. I like this. Last. This one is the Cherry Blossom. This face item right here, I think on bigger skin is probably very cute. I do have a full face on. Maybe that's where I fell short with some things. But this, it was just, and it did lift up some of my makeup, and I was like, ah. So maybe it is meant for a more intensive moisturizer, just clear face, just a more bare face. This is like a pearly, violet, kind of pearly, iridescent kind of color. It's cute, but she just, it was like, it wasn't blinding, you know? A little bit does go a long way though, especially if it shows up on your skin the right way. So this one is the Fresh Peach. The first shade is Pink Squirrel in the eyeshadow. This was the shadow I was expecting from the Pink Please. This one really packed punch. This one is so pretty. It is that iridescent peachy green shift situation. I love colors like this. I like that duochrome kind of finish to it. I love this shade so much. Again, I wish they did sell these just separately, because that would be good to just pick and, oh, that'd be cute if you can literally make your own quad, like a customizable quad. I would love that. That would be great. This one is called Papaya. This blush, she showed up, she did, but it still was a very, very, very hard blend up. I'm getting the vibe of this, that all of these are kind of harder to build up, you know? Again, I feel like for my complexion, she didn't fully hit like I want. So I was kind of let down again. I was like, I really want this to be good. So, but like I said, it is a matte finish. It's not, it kind of has a sheen to it a little bit, but it is more on the matte side of a blush. So, and all of these are, by the way. The color, she's cute, she's okay, but she didn't wow me. This one, the lippy, is called Coral. Again, they smell delicious. So this one is very pretty. It is very pigmented, and a little bit goes a long way. If you like corally colors, you're gonna love it. I had a lot of balms like this in this shade, so it's nothing too wow, but it was still a very nice little balm lippy. This one is very pigmented. I have to give them that. And last is gonna be Sorbet. This one, again, it was just like the other ones. It was picking up my makeup, and I was like, no. This was kind of goldy, so I thought, oh, it was really pretty. It was cute, it was all right, but it was pretty right here, circled on my cheek, so it's okay. Again, probably more on bare face is a lot prettier. I think if you do put this on the eyes, like a glossy thing, that would be cute. I'm just thinking Texas hot glossy eyes. I don't know about that one. But like I said, anyone that is more of the no makeup wearing, if you don't wear no foundation at all or anything like that, this will probably look really pretty, because I wanted more, but it's not as pigmented as it may look. And on to one of my favorite colors, the lilac one. This one is literally, the eyeshadow is called Lilac. This one was cute. Again, pigmentation with my finger or my brush. It was literally just kind of like, Okay, it wasn't too much, and it's my favorite color scheme. I love this whole color, this whole vibe, but it was just okay. She didn't come with a big punch, and I really wish she did. She was a cute lavender one. She was cute, but she was like, I'm trying. I said, I see, girl, you're trying. She said, that's all I got. Again, if you like a light shimmer, something that is kind of barely there, or a little bit medium of a pigment, you'll probably like this. And I think too, this is probably really good for the younger girls. It's be really cute. And then the blush is called Orchid. This one was a little bit more pigmented than I thought it would be, but it still, again, didn't come up, guys. I'm gonna need, I don't know what formula this is. I've tried blushes from Morphe before. We have tried the glosses, everything that really pack a punch. So I just don't know why this was this way. But again, it may be for just more bare skinned. But this is straight up powder. Who puts powder blush on their bare skin? I don't know, but this one was pretty. It has that gold shift to it, but the gold doesn't show up on my cheek, unfortunately. I just don't see it. I didn't see it, didn't feel the vibe. All right, this is raspberry. Now, this is literally what it looks like in a pan. Again, smells heavenly. It smells like beautiful creamy vanilla. So this thing doesn't cover the lips completely like, oh, you know, it's completely covered it. But no. It doesn't completely cover it with this full raspberry color, but it is very pigmented and it's a very pretty shade. If you like those more darker berry colors, you'll love this shade. Amethyst. This is a crazy rainbow holographic lilac shift of a pressed glitter. Now, y'all, pressed glitters are interesting. I'll say right now, they're easier to wipe off. They are. They can still kind of get everywhere, not like straight up loose glitter. That's a disaster. This is okay. I did manage to get some sparkle in some of my eyes, but it just doesn't hit as much as it could. Now, it did show more up on the cheek, and I think this is more prettier on the cheek. I don't know if you want to put these on the lips. I don't know. But on the cheek, this is kind of cute. But again, it was not so pigmented. It didn't come up like bam, you know, even though it's a kind of has that sticky feel. It's like a pressed glitter. Well, still didn't stick like it's supposed to. This is the Stay Golden Quads. So the first one is Sunbeams. This right here, beautiful. The peach and the bronzy shadows at the top were hidden. These are really good. These are very pigmented with a brush or your finger. Hands down. Beautiful goldy shade. We always love that in this household too. Rich rose of a blush. I'm disappointed. This blush did not show up like I wanted at all. Let's see. See? She's just like, I'm a whisper. I ain't really there. I'm a whisper girl. I don't want to whisper. I want to shout. I want the blush to shout at me because literally I want to be able to build it up. Clearly can see I can build it up, or it just shouts off the bat and I got to build it down. I don't like ones that it literally build. It's just like, it's a whisper. I'm like, why is it a whisper of a blush? I have cheeks. I want blush on it. I want blush. This one does seem like it's a little bit more matte than others. You really got to build the mess out of this blush though. This one just didn't show up as fast as the other ones, and I really thought it would be the fastest blush to show up and not have to build as much. But, you know, back and forth with these. Again, if you like a whisper of a blush, you'll like it. Caramel, lippy. Most pigmented in all of the quads that I have. This is very pretty. This one is a rich caramelly shade. We like that in this household. She's so creamy. Very juicy look on the lips. But this one is that full capacity. It will take over the color on your lips. It literally is a fuller coverage glossy balm situation. If you like bronzy caramel balm that are full coverage, you'll like this. All right, last is Sparkles. This is a goldy, straight up goldy gold bronze pressed glitter. This is cute. She's cute. She's pretty on the cheek again, but she did pop on the eyes though. This one did show up on the eyes compared to the lilac one, which is interesting. I wonder why this one did and that one didn't. But anyways, this one is very pretty. I think any gold on top of bronze, on top of rich rose like that. Very pretty combo with people that like rosy and bronze. I think this was a better pressed glitter than the lilac one in my opinion. I feel like it just complemented more. And it popped on top of this gold, girl. It popped. So overall, guys, with all of the quads, they are okay. I only liked really one, maybe two, so like half of the quads really. And then some of them I just liked only 2 out of the whole 4 that I got. I still don't like pressed glitters. I still don't like them, but they were okay. They were like other ones, but they could have been more of a pow. You're gonna give me pressed glitter, give me pressed glitter, you know? The lip balms in those are dope. Every single lip balm pretty much was amazing. So I really need them to take that out. And like I said before, I would love these to be customizable in the future. That would be great. Because then you can make your own. Because I would make a whole lip balm of those quads like that. That's all. I would do that and then like some of the shimmers and that's it. Again, they are convenient. They are small, compact, and they do give you pretty much everything in there that you do need to add color or whatnot to your face. But for me, I feel like they were they were all right. I wouldn't keep grabbing them if they made more colors, to be truthful. I would just be like, I'm gonna need y'all to just make a lip balm one. Just make that glossy balm one. I'm gonna need just that. They had their cute moments. So guys, I thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which one out of all the quads do you like. And do you like this kind of situation, the face palettes and the quad section? And also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.